Okay, so I've shown you inside the cockpit of the P-51. This is another option you have, which is chase mode. You're still flying the P-51 that's in the combat trim. So it's big, beautiful doll. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to fly from the chase position once, okay? Here we go. Let's just do a control surface check. Yep, everything checks out. There we go. Throttle up. There, boy, that thing gets in the air awfully quick. Now, with this particular model, the gear and flap automatically retract and extend when you get low to the ground, or you take off and get out into the air. So let's go ahead and follow around here. Here we go. Let's set up for a ground attack run. Remember, turn and bank really hard there to keep the ground gunners from taking out your radiator. Dive down here. There we go. Well, right in between these trees, shall we? There we go. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Now, I know, I get it. So you're not going to really fly one of your airplanes from hanging out behind the tail. I get that, okay? I got some comments already on the Facebook page where like, well, that's not very realistic. Well, you know what? It might not be, but I'll tell you what, it's a lot of fun. And your hands are on the stick. You're getting good use of muscle memory here, and it's fun. I mean, really, what fun is that? That is just awesome. So you're getting some proficient skills just by learning how to control the aircraft, even if you be sitting on, stationary on the ground. This just gives you a little bit different way of experiencing flying, and that's perfectly fine in my book. How about some rockets, shall we? There we go. Woo! I tell you, this thing is it's a lot of fun. The thing is, with 160 airplanes, different views, cockpit views, chase views. You got some combat simulations, streamer simulations. You got obstacle courses, aerobatic training. There is so many, plus all the scenery. There is almost endless amount of time that you can spend inside RealFlight 9 before you ever get bored of it. And every minute you spend on the sticks is one more minute you're learning how to fly an aircraft. In my world, that's awesome. So let's go head out into the forest and let's just try a landing, shall we? Let's just make a low-level pass over these trees. And let's just bring it on back, shall we? And anything you can do to stay proficient and get used to your hands being on the controls is good. We're coming in obviously way too hot, but that's all right. Yeah, whoopsie daisy, there we go. Woo! Yeah, nobody's gonna give me an A+ for for landing this combat P-51 Mustang. But you know what? I'm having fun, and I'll tell you what, anything that gets you stick time and it's a lot of fun, it's hard to argue against it. So. Again, RealFlight 9 available from Horizon Hobby. You got a number of different options on flight views, different aircraft, 160 different aircraft to choose from. Not all of them have detailed cockpits, but I know this particular P-51 does. So you're just going to have to get into the software and play around with it. But I'll tell you what, there's hours of fun and entertainment to be had with this thing.